Hi, hello, my dear students. Right, up to now, I uploaded 8 lectures on kinematics. So this is ninth lecture. I would like to discuss few more examples on this distance and displacement. Already I discussed 8 examples in previous lectures. Now I would like to discuss another important example. This is most important sawal in the kinematics. This is very important question mark. Be focused in the competitive purpose. In case of distance and displacement, this question is very important. Repetitive question. This is asked in previous competitive exams. Please be focused, friends. Very easy, very simple question. So main thing is, if you love the physics by clearing concept, definitely you must love the physics. So learning physics by clearing concept, this is very important. Whenever you should read the physics by clearing concept, definitely you must love the physics subject. Right now I already loved a lot this physics subject, because if you clear the concept, definitely you must love the subject physics. So this is very important sawal. So be focused. So right now I discuss example 9. Right, a wheel of radius 1 meter rolls forward half revolution. Radius is what, my dear? 1 meter. First of all, write given data. Right, so I start from here. Given data. What is given data? So a wheel, circular wheel, radius is given. Circular wheel, radius is given. Radius is equal to 1 meter. Right, radius is equal to 1 meter is given. Rolls forward half revolution. So how much it is rolls, ma? Wheel is there. That wheel is rolls forward. How much revolutions? Half revolution on a horizontal ground. The magnitude of the displacement of the point of the wheel initially in contact with the ground is what we need to find? Magnitude of displacement of point of contact initially on the ground. This is very important, right? So I draw. So this is a ground, horizontal ground. Initially this is a wheel. So this is a wheel. So now this is a point A I consider. This is a point B I consider. A wheel is revolve. This is rotate on the horizontal ground. It is revolve half revolution. So after half revolution, what is the position? This is after half revolution, it will move like this, because this B will be moves here. This A position will be changes here, because half revolution. Observe carefully. Imagine half revolution means this A point will be moves upward, this B point will be moves downward. That means what we need to find here? Magnitude of displacement of the point of the wheel initially contact with the ground is. That means contact with the ground, and so this magnitude of displacement. This we need to find here. Right. So this we need to find, this displacement we need to find here. So I write carefully. Right. So this displacement we need to find. So the magnitude of displacement between A to, so this is very important. Right, so after half revolution, this is A, this is B position. After half revolution, A position will be moves here, B position will be moves here. This is very important. So after half revolution, this is the position of the wheel. So what we need to find? Displacement, magnitude of displacement from the point of contact of the ground to here. This we need to find here. So for finding this, what is this, ma? This is a distance traveled by the wheel. How much it is revolve? Half revolution. So is equal to distance covered by half revolution. We need to write here distance covered by half revolution is equal to circumference of half revolution. So circumference is also called as perimeter of the circle. What is perimeter of the circle formula? 2 pi r. Full circle is there, 2 pi r. Half circle is there, 2 pi r by 2. That means 2 pi r by 2. So 2 going to be cancelled here. Pi r meters. So already they given radius is equal to what here? Radius is equal to 1 meter. That means pi into radius is 1 meter. So that means what we got here? Pi meters. After half revolution, wheel is rotate half revolution. It covered distance is what? Pi meter distance. It covered distance is pi meters. This distance is pi meters here. So this distance is here pi meters, right? This AB is equal to pi meters. So then what is this? So we already know this is radius r, this is radius r. This total is called diameter. Diameter is equal to diameter D is equal to r plus r. 2r. 2r means 2 into 1 because radius is 1 meter here. So 2 into 1, 2 meters. So diameter is 2 meters here. That means here this is equal to 2 meters. Diameter is equal to 2 meters. This is 5 meters. What we need to find? Displacement. So observe carefully how this is. This is like observe carefully A, B. I'll consider some A dash. This is considered from B dash, right? So A, B dash, A dash triangle. Observe A dash, B dash. Observe carefully. So this is like a right angle triangle or not? In a right angle triangle, two sides, one side is pi meter, another side is 2 meters. Then hypotenuse is easy to find or not? So whenever right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, two sides are given. Another side, third side is easy to find by applying Pythagoras rule, right? Simple logic ma. You know already Pythagoras rule. You are reading Pythagoras rule from the 7th class onwards, right? So here AB dash is equal to pi meters, A dash B dash is equal to 2 meters. Then displacement is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square. Side square is pi square here. Hypotenuse is x here. Hypotenuse square is equal to pi square plus 2 square because one side is pi meter, another side is 2 meters. According to Pythagoras rule, Pythagoras rule, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is x square. Side square means pi square plus 2 square. That means what we got? X square is equal to pi square plus 4 we got here. That means from this I want x value here. S value is equal to square root of pi square plus 4. Square root of pi square plus 4. So totally we got here displacement. The magnitude of displacement of the point of wheel contact with the ground. So point of wheel to the contact with the ground is what we got? Square root of pi square plus 4 meters. So this is the thing here. So which option is correct? So option C is correct here. Root of pi square plus 4 is the correct answer. So simple thing here. So what we need to find? Displacement we need to find. So just half revolution, it covered distance is pi r meter because circumference of half revolution is equal to distance covered here. So then this is diameter. You know these two sides, it will form right angle triangle. If you know any two sides of right angle triangle, other side is easy to find by applying Pythagoras rule, right? So we got displacement is equal to root of pi square plus 4 meters. I think you are all understood this problem. This is very important Kasab, very important. Be focused. And one more thing, I'll explain some more problems. So if you want So more example problems please mention in comment box. Definitely I'll explain in further lectures. Thank you.